Strengthening Faith 52. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Even though the number of Muslims have increased over time, it is obvious that the strength of Muslims has only decreased. Each Muslim, irrespective of the strength of their faith, believes in the authenticity of the Holy Quran, as doubting it would cause them to lose their faith. In the following verse, Allah, the Exalted, has given the key to obtaining superiority and success, which would remove the weakness and grief Muslims are experiencing all around the world. Chapter 3, Ali Imran, verse 139.
So do not weaken and do not grieve, and you will be superior if you are true believers.
Allah, the Exalted, has made it clear that Muslims only need to become true believers in order to achieve this superiority and success in both worlds. True belief involves fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from his prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This includes the duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and those towards people, such as loving for others what one loves for themselves, which has been advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2515. This requires one to learn and act on Islamic teachings. Through this attitude was success and superiority granted to the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. And if Muslims desire to achieve it, then they must return to this rightly guided attitude. As Muslims believe in the Holy Quran, they should understand this simple teaching and act on it. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.